Long-term demographic impact of Katrina. The state lost about 250,000 people in the aftermath of the hurricane, dropping to 4.243 million in 2006. Hurricane Katrina slashed the population of New Orleans by more than half. New Orleans shows the largest population loss of any city between 2000 and 2008. At the same time, it was the fastest growing city between 2007 and 2008. The city's population has now reached 74.6% of pre-storm level. A lot of different states are affected differently, and some states weren't affected at all. For example, Jefferson Parish saw its numbers drop from 450,848 before the storm and 422,222 in 2006. The state of Mississippi experienced a small population loss, but geography.